How to turn on notifications on Zangi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on notifications. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. Here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option called notifications. Tap on notifications. So here in your notifications settings. So this is the place where you must enable or turn on the notifications. So as you can see, some of them are turned off and some of them are turned on. So you can customize whatever you like and what are your priorities. So according to what are the notifications needed, you can select it from here. Or the best solution is by resetting the notification. If you scroll down at the last, you can see this reset notification option. Tap on reset notification and now tap on reset. So what it does will reset everything that is of previous, and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.